Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest insights on the best products in the market.
Today, we're diving into one of the most essential items for new parents, diapers. Specifically, we'll be reviewing the Pampers Cruisers 360 diapers in size 3. Now, if you're a parent, you know how crucial it is to find a diaper that combines comfort, reliability, and ease of use.
The Pampers Cruisers 360 in size 3 claims to do just that and more.
Let's start with what sets these diapers apart from the rest.
Designed for active babies, the Pampers Cruisers 360 promises a gap-free fit with its innovative 360 degrees stretchy waistband. This feature ensures no leaks and a comfortable fit, even during the most energetic playtimes.
Putting these diapers on your little one is a breeze, thanks to their pull-on design.
No more struggling with tapes, just slip them on and you're good to go.
Plus, the easy tier sides make disposal quick and hygienic. Now, let's talk about what matters most, your baby's comfort.
These diapers are not only hypoallergenic but also free from chlorine, bleaching, parabens, and latex, making them gentle on sensitive skin. Pampers also incorporates their lock-away channels to lock wetness away, keeping your baby's skin dry and healthy throughout the day. And here's something eco-conscious parents will appreciate. These diapers are part of Amazon's Climate Pledge Friendly program, reflecting Pampers' commitment to sustainability. In conclusion, the Pampers Cruisers 360 in size 3 is not just a diaper. It's a game-changer for parents looking for reliability and comfort in one package. Whether your little one is crawling or on their feet, these diapers provide the freedom to move and play without any worries.
That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on top products. Until next time, happy parenting!